Start. Friends, I welcome this opportunity to be here amongst you to inaugurate the Silver Jubilee session of your society. I need hardly emphasize the great service your society has done during the last 5 years of its useful existence. The valuable publications you have brought out have been of great help in promoting research and its application to agriculture. The very fact that your society enjoyed the patronage and guidance of the last President of India bears testimony to the place it occupies in the field of scientific knowledge. Next, in the course of the last quarter of a century, substantial progress has been made in improving agriculture. The society has played a prominent role in bringing about this improvement. I am therefore glad that this conference provides a forum for exchange of ideas which is essential for furtherance of knowledge and strengthening the necessary base for future progress. In formulating programs for development, it is essential to bear in mind the impact of these measures. Next, India is at present passing through a period of rapid development, particularly in the agriculture sector. Very soon, we may have to face the serious problem of overpopulation. Such development certainly calls for adjustments in various related fields with the expansion in the scope as well as number of experiments. The research workers might be facing shortage of various resources. At the same time, with the introduction of new varieties, things may improve. I am told that there have been in recent years great advances in theoretical statistics. I wish to impress on all of you to make best use of the latest developments in science and technology to meet the new kinds of problems that may arise. In the context of rapidly developing agriculture in our country, a more appropriate assumption will be that the information collected at any point of time may not be useful at a later stage. It is therefore necessary that continuous research is carried on. I understand that planning in our country, particularly in agriculture, is being handicapped due to lack of adequate statistical information. At the same time, I believe lot of data remains unutilized because of absence of faculties facilities for putting them into proper use. Your society can assist in the building up of such facilities for utilizing the accumulated information on various aspects of agriculture from time to time. Next, now I would like to draw your attention to some of the more glaring omissions in agricultural statistics. Although the position regarding the availability of data might be relatively satisfactory, there are still lot of gaps. Your society may take the initiative in drawing attention to these gaps and providing answers to some of the problems. I am glad to know that your society is having a small unit which undertakes research in problems of current interest. I hope that this type of activity will expand in the coming years and that this unit will develop into a full-fledged research section much earlier than expected. Next, letter from Amul Baby Food Products Mumbai, addressed to Messrs. Kalyani Developmental Stores, Hyderabad, dated 20th January 2012. Dear Sir, we have received your letter of yesterday's date and have very carefully noted the contents. In reply, we have not the slightest hesitation in stating that the quality of the ingredients we use in our patent foods is above suspicion. The materials are the best for the purpose that can be obtained. We do not use damaged or inferior grain or refuse of any kind. We know that there are many doubtful ingredients used by a few unscrupulous manufacturers, but we can assure you that such materials are never allowed to enter our premises. In the article we produce, there is absolutely nothing to which we have the slightest doubt as to its value and suitability for feeding purposes, and there is certainly nothing in it that we would wish to control. Next, our factories are open for the inspection of any of our regular customers and friends, and we extend to you a hearty invitation to pay us a visit and see for yourself how our products are produced and the cleanliness of the materials used. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Stop.